Okay, let's see. Go up the rock again. Second try. Yeah, the 2019 Beta 125 RRS. Not that bad. Testing it again here. The front brake is really takes a lot of pull in. It sticks so far out, and then you have to pull it in so far, and it doesn't like to lock up. So not sure if that's normal or if that's something I'm gonna have to like bleed it or what have you. I mean, for on the road it's fine because it's such a light bike. Maybe it's just meant to be that way for newer riders. If you keep the revs up, it's not bad. Yeah, keep the speed up to get up stuff like that, which I'm not used to. I'm used to using torque and stuff and just, you know, going slow and going bump, 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 right up. Okay, let's take 318. 318 is a good one. It's just a trail road, but this is what people would probably find themselves on with this bike the most, more so than that single track. Front suspension, as far as I know, doesn't have any sort of adjustments. You can get different springs for it, I do believe. I know you can for the rear. Yeah, on stuff like this where you can kind of keep the speed up, it's fine. Keep those RPMs up. Maybe the front brake has some air in the line, because I can't believe it would be this like lacking, like not locking up. I can also adjust that adjuster nut in more just to see, but I think I'd probably bleed it first and see if anything comes out, any air bubbles. The front suspension on this, the forks, seem definitely a lot more lacking, or a little more clunky-ish. Yeah, obviously I've had decent bikes that have decent suspension in my life, but I mean, it's fine. Obviously I'm going pretty quick, as you see. And maybe not my fastest, because I'm still getting used to the bike, but you know, I'm jumping things and hitting things pretty hard. And I mean, it's not like I don't have any confidence in it. It's just I just definitely notice a difference between these cheap shocks versus like what's on the 500 and the 390 betas. Now, I don't know the size of the forks, if it's possible to move over a set of the others. And I know some will be like, well, why would you do that? You just buy a different bike. You invest. Well, I don't mean like brand new. Like, you know, maybe you already had a 500 that was well worn, and you would just move the front end over, and then have adjustability and stuff. Or whatever, you find one that's being parted out, and you move over the front end, and hence, once again, you have adjustability. You know, I'm not saying go Beta and buy brand new forks. That would be ludicrous, unless they're not as bad as I think, and you really love the 125. Like, the 125 just it served you fine and does your roads, and it sips gas, and you're just happy with it. Otherwise, the back one seems fine, and I do know they sell different springs for the back. Let's go tip the camera forward and maybe get some of the action of the forks. If I sit down, I think you can see it better, but then I can't go as fast. So now I'm standing up. steep hill. Had to get back to first to get some speed. Steep hill. That was a good jump. And a pretty view, Pikes Peak. I always like coming up over that and seeing the mountain, especially with snow. It's cool. Whee! Pretty good run, wasn't it? I mean, I gotta go. Hopefully the angles with the facing down kind of worked out to show you all. It's a pretty fun bike. You have to keep the revs up. I'm not used to that. Well, it's a different type of ride, but hey, it's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it so far, and we're finding out what the limitations are, and pretty quickly too. So hey, we'll see how this all works out, me using it. So hey, thanks again. Hopefully you like Forest Road 318. Check it out. It's off of Mount Herman Road. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos. Also hit that notification bell. Also check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description and do your normal shopping. It's a win-win for both of us. And everyone, take care in these crazy times. Have a good one. Bye.